chocolate cake with only 2 ingredients. I mean, excluding the ones in the pantry, I think flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, chocolate chips, I think butter as well. Sorry for the clickbait anyways, like, it wasn't really intended. I'm kidding, don't worry. This is not clickbait, this is a 2-ingredient chocolate cake. Keep on watching and we'll show you how to make it. Hey everyone, I'm Maro.
And I am Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins,
the channel that offers you simplified tutorials along your baking journey.
Alright, to make this chocolate cake, we're going to be needing 4 eggs. We'll split that into the yolks and into the whites, and let's look at our eggs. Okay, let's crack our egg and separate it. Alright, let's set this aside and bring in 1 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and let's melt this for 20 seconds. So let's put this melted chocolate into a large bowl we have here. So we're gonna add in our egg yolks now, 4 egg yolks. And it's fine if you got some whites in there because it's all going into one mixture in the end. And let's give this a whisk. Alright, I think that's good. Just make sure that everything's like completely combined. And now we're gonna go on to the next step. Okay, so we have 4 egg whites here, and we're just gonna beat them in this stand mixer for about 5 minutes until they become nice and fluffy. Alright, that should be good. And now we're gonna get into the next step. So let's fold in our egg whites into this chocolate mixture. So we got our best and only cake pan right here. It's a 9-inch cake pan, and let's spray it with some olive oil. Okay, let's fill our batter into this pan. Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes on 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now is a perfect time to go ahead and like these videos for us. We have put a lot of effort into making these videos for you, so if you could like it, we really appreciate it. And also, since we're in our 30-day posting challenge, liking these videos would really encourage us to complete our goal, so thank you for doing that. Delicious. Alright, that's it for us this video. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the next video in this 30-day challenge. Click right here for our last video. Click down there for our 30-day posting challenge series, which of course is part of this video. And click right here to subscribe. And we will see you in our next video. Have a great day. Bye.